Welcome to a refreshed Freed. We've made some updates to the experience you love, designed to be simpler, more powerful, and easier to use. Let's take a look. To start a new visit, first enter the patient's name. If you've used Freed with this patient before, their name will appear in the list. If not, type in their name and hit Enter. Let's take a look at this returning patient. Before recording, you can choose the template you'd like to use to generate the initial note. If you're subscribed to a Premier or group plan, you can additionally read through the patient context based on previous visits, as well as add any relevant details about this patient here. Hit the capture button to start recording. While recording, you can pause and resume at any time. When you're finished with this patient encounter, hit the stop icon to end the recording. Here's a visit that's already been captured and has all documentation generated. To the right of your documentation, the clinician assistant chat is always ready to help with any questions, tasks, or edits you give it. If you want to hide the chat, you can click the sidebar icon in the upper right. Depending on your screen size, the visit list on the left is automatically hidden to give you more space to work. To see all your visits, simply hover on the visits icon in the left sidebar and click to show or hide the list. When you click on a visit, you'll see the note first. If you're subscribed to a Premier or group plan, we've introduced a new set of tabs at the top of the visit to help you find exactly what you're looking for even faster. Click on each tab to view the different types of documentation, such as billing codes, sendable patient instructions, and letters. To edit your note, you can either directly work in the note text, or you can use the chat to prompt any changes you'd like to make. This is especially helpful if you want to make a larger bulk edit that affects the entire note. A new intelligent capability we've introduced is the ability for Freed to automatically learn how to format your visit notes. No need to click a button. Freed understands when you make a change to the structure, verbiage, or style of your notes and automatically updates the underlying template that generates your future notes. In addition to the capability to edit, the chat can provide information about your patient. You can ask quite literally anything about the patient, and Freed will summarize what it knows about the patient based on previous visits for this patient in your Freed account. We've introduced clinical decision support, built directly into the chat. Now, when you have a clinical question, you can ask it right in the chat, in the patient's chart context. You'll get an answer in the moment without leaving the workflow or opening a separate reference tool. The answer comes back, grounded in that encounter in a HIPAA-compliant environment. Information that's provided is always cited and is derived from more than 50 verified sources that clinicians already use and trust in practice. We've made some big updates to our coding experience. Freed's coding assistant can now generate ICD-10 and CPT codes at the highest justifiable EM level. For transparency, you can always view Freed's justification for its selection. Additionally, the chat provides recommendations to optimize ICD-10 codes for improved specificity. When you select a recommended, more specific code, Freed also automatically updates your documentation to maximize defensibility. These updates are applied to your account automatically. If you're subscribed to a Premier or group tier, coding assistant, and clinical decision support are added to your account at no additional cost. We hope that you enjoy these upgrades. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message at support@getfreed.ai. Thanks for taking a look.